There's 40 shillings on the drum for those who volunteer to come to list and fight the foe today over the hills and far away. O'er the hills and o'er the main, through Flanders, Portugal and Spain, King George commands and we obey over the hills and far away. When duty calls me, I must go to stand and face another foe. But part of me will always stray over the hills and far away. O'er the hills and o'er the main, through Flanders, Portugal and Spain, King George commands and we obey over the hills and far away. If I should fall to rise no more, as many comrades did before, then ask the fifes and drums to play over the hills and far away. O'er the hills and o'er the
Boney was a warrior away, a warrior, a terrier, Jean-Francois. Boney fought the Prussians away, and Boney fought the Russians, Jean-Francois. Boney went to Moscow way, across the Alps in frost and snow, Jean-Francois. Moscow was a blazing away, and Boney was a raging, Jean-Francois. Boney went elbow away, and Boney he come back again, Jean-Francois. Boney went to Waterloo away, and there he got his overthrow, Jean-Francois. Boney he was sent away, away in St. Helena, Jean-Francois.
Some talk of Alexander and some of Hercules, of Hector and Lysander and such great names as these. But of all the world's brave heroes, there's none that can compare. Row, 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 to the British Grenadiers.
Whene'er we are commanded to storm the palisades, our leaders march with fuses and we with hand grenades. We throw them from the glassy about the enemy's ears, with a tow, row, 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 to the British Grenadiers.